West Basin Municipal Water District's Cash for Kitchens program presents a quick how-to video on installing a new water-efficient pre-rinse spray valve. First, turn off the direct water supply line to the pre-rinse spray valve. The shut-off valve is typically located beneath the sink. Hold down the handle to the old pre-rinse spray valve to ensure there is no water in the hose line. Unscrew the old pre-rinse spray valve from the supply line. You may have to apply pressure. Make sure that the rubber washer in the supply line is still in good condition. Otherwise, replace it. Screw on the new pre-rinse spray valve to the supply line. Hand tighten only. Turn the direct water supply line back on. Test the newly installed pre-rinse spray valve and inspect it for leaks at the connection point. If you notice a leak, use a wrench or channel lock to give it a 1/4 inch turn. Do not over-tighten or you could damage the rubber washer. Enjoy your new water-efficient pre-rinse spray valve. Sponsored by West Basin Municipal Water District's Cash for Kitchens program.